In today's video, we're going to do some crafts. Hi everyone, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and today I'm taking some pieces of wood, painting them, and decoupaging on some pretty flowers. I'm going to take my Mod Podge, it's water-based glue. And for some reason, when I put the bee on, this little got stuck there, so the paint must have been wet. Anyhow, I'm just going to put some Mod Podge down. So as you can tell, I have painted these boards white. They were just plain old boards that I got from my niece. And I have these pretty napkins, and I'm making some shelf sitters. Coat. And I'm going to carefully put this bee down. I don't want a bunch of wrinkles. Oh, I'm going to get some anyhow. It's a little tricky because the napkin there. Just use my finger. Oops. Okay, now I found this. Learned this little trick, of course, on YouTube. You take some you take some plastic wrap, put it around your finger, around your fingers, and grab it. And you can just smooth do it gently because it will rip if you're not careful. Okay, that needs a little Mod Podge there. And probably some here. Okay. Now this bee went on fairly good without many wrinkles. And I'm just going to bring his wing over the side here. I like that look. And I think I'll put some Mod Podge over top of the whole thing. And it does dry clear. I got these napkins at Home Sense last year. And I thought they would look nice on wood. Okay, so I'm just going to take this plastic wrap on my fingers and I'm just going to slowly rub it in because it does take some of the wrinkles out. Although the wrinkles don't look too bad. And there we have it. Our little bee. Oh, let's do the side of the wing. And I think he's kind of cute. I'll set him up there with the sunflower. And I mean, you can have the bee any way you want it too. Might stand better this way. Anyhow, it's painted all the way around. And we could put a string on it so you could hang it on the wall. All depends what you want to do with it. Okay, now this one, I decided I'm going to do another sunflower. So, I'm going to show you, like I like to rip my napkins a little bit, not on the flower, but here because it separates easier. And I managed to get the two, like there's three layers to this napkin. So you want to take these two off, and then it leaves just this part. And because I painted it white, that paper doesn't show up that much. But I'm still going to trim all around. So, yeah, take your scissors and you carefully trim in and out the petals. Just like so. Okay, we've got the napkin all cut out. And now I'm going to lay it on here. I'm going to center this one because it's going to hang on the wall. And we're going to put our Mod Podge all over. Nice light coat. And it might have a little bit hanging off the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to put it down. Little bubble there, get it out. Okay. So these parts that aren't sticking, we'll just Mod Podge them over top so they stick. We got a few wrinkles in this one, so we'll see what we can do with the cling wrap. Oh yeah, that pulls it out pretty darn good. I probably can't see it on camera, but it can pull some of the wrinkles out. Could have been a little more careful, but oops, that one got ripped. Oh well, let's take that off, pretend it's a short. So we're going to be careful. And there's our second one. And I think I'm just going to cut through there. What can I use? This is a tool for pottery. But I think it'll work because I can just, oops, nope, maybe lightly, kind of pulls. Sorry about the click, 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 click you can hear in this video. Those are my puppy dog's toenails clicking on the hard floor. There, that works. An X-Acto knife would work better, more than likely, but I haven't found mine yet. But this is just the right size, so I'm just going to use it. So, if you're enjoying this video and you like this content, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Take a little Mod Podge so that sticks down there. Okay. It dries fast. There we go. So that one's a little different. Oops. That one's a little different. I think it looks nice. So And the Mod Podge dries quickly. So we have 3 cute little shelf sitters or a wall hanger. Here I've taken a longer piece of board. It's the old farm wood, old barn wood. And I just decoupaged some pretty flowers on the front and painted the parts that have been cut. With some white paint. And I'm thinking I'm going to add some lace. Well, we got the first piece of lace put on, and I decided that didn't look quite right. It needed a little more. So I found another piece of lace that was smaller. And so I put another little piece of tape around it, and I thought it looked much nicer. So now I'm using some more of the old barn wood that I bought locally, and I'm gluing down a piece of twine, and then I have 3 feathers that I'm going to glue on here. They're not real feathers, they're paper feathers that I bought at the dollar store, but I thought they would look kind of cute on here. So that's what I'm doing. So now I'm going to take that piece of string or piece of twine that I put on here, and I'm going to make a little bow, and I'm just gluing it down so it stays in place, and I think that finishes it off nice. Here's our 6 shelf sitters, and I've got them in the living room so I can take some pictures. Well, I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video, and I'll have my next video ready for Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Bye!